potato starch has a lot of uses. It can use for deep cleaning, use for cooking, and for your skincare. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pure potato starch at home, free from chemicals and preservatives. So stay tuned. So to make your potato starch at home, you will need fresh potato. You only need to wash and peel the potato, cut into smaller pieces. You can grate it or blend it. So I'm going to be using the blending method. So I'm going to add a little water, which will help to blend the potato into a smooth paste. Then when I'm done blending, I'm going to use a chiffon cloth to sieve to get the liquid. So pour the blended potato into the chiffon cloth and squeeze to get the liquid. So when you are done squeezing, you can use the leftover potato pulp to bake or make your potato pancake. When you are done doing this, you are going to allow it to settle for some minutes or hours. When it has settled, you will notice that the starch has settled at the bottom of the bowl. You can slowly or carefully scoop off the water on top. When you are done scooping out the water on top of the starch, so you can scrape the starch, the potato starch out from the bowl into a thin layer or tray. Leave it in a warm place to dry. You can use your food hydrator or dry it with the sunlight. Leave it to dry, and when it has dried completely, you can now blend into a fine powder. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your potato starch at home. You can store this in airtight container. So potato starch is packed with vitamin C, B, and potassium. It is a gentle anti-inflammatory powder. It can be used for soothing the skin, to absorb excess oil. So you can use this for your natural beauty remedy. Use this for your cooking.